Tribun Timur kini bekerja sama dengan kantor berita Australian Associated Press, AAP. Jitak memilih Tribun sebagai salah satu mitra dalam distribusi konten berita di Asia Tenggara dan satu-satunya di Indonesia Timur. Sebagai awal kerjasama, AAP menyelenggarakan pelatihan cara menggunakan menyadur konten beritanya dalam format teks, foto, video, dan infografis bagi awak redaksi Tribun di kantor Tribun Timur di Makassar, Sulsel, Kamis 30 Juli 2026. Materi pelatihan dibawakan Editor-in-Chief AAP, Andrew Drummond, dan Product Manager AAP, Stephen Jansetic. Konten AAP berbayar, namun Tribun mendapatkan akses gratis dari kerjasama ini. Ini sebuah kepercayaan yang sangat berharga bagi Tribun Timur. Sebelumnya kami juga sudah bekerja sama dengan ABC Australia, kata Editor-in-Chief Tribun Timur, Tamzil Tahir. Andrew mengatakan, Tribun bisa menyadur berbagai berita terkait dengan Australia maupun peristiwa di negara lain dari AAP. Konten AAP bisa disadur secara utuh maupun penggalan-penggalannya sesuai dengan kebutuhan Tribun, kata Stephen. Juga bisa diterbitkan di unit lain di Tribun Network, kata Andrew. Lebih lanjut, Andrew mengatakan, walaupun AAP kantor berita Australia, tapi tetap independen. Kami sangat independen dan dengan diperkuat ratusan jurnalis AAP, ujarnya. AAP didirikan pada tahun 1935 dan kini berusia 91 tahun. Kantor berita berkantor di Sydney, New South Wales, Australia ini memasok berita, foto, serta layanan cek fakta, AAP Fact Check, kepada ratusan outlet media dan perusahaan setiap hari.
About 80 stories a day.
80.
80.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you will be able to use is just the AAP created content. So we also share Reuters and AP and PA and so on. But we've got I think we've got 10.
Thanks.
10 who are all down the eastern, so Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra, Brisbane are our permanent photographers.
Not photographers.
No, it's freelancers.
Oh.
Yeah. So
you have no staff in Darwin?
yes, we have a reporter, we have a journalist, but not a photographer.
Okay.
Yeah. We use our freelance.
That's why you have a good picture, huh?
Yes.
You use password.
Yes,
When you come here,
Yep.
you use password.
So what you'll actually do if I log out here,
Yes.
you'll first come to this screen
Yes.
and you'll have your email. You'll have an email and you'll log in with it, and you'll set your own password, and then you'll log in, and that will land you on the homepage. That's how you'll get in. So you'll get all of you will get an email today. It'll have a link in it. Click that link, set your password, and then use the email from that we set you up with, and the password you create, and put it on, and you'll get into the system.